Intro. Welcome to Automax, and you're watching RPM Studio, the place where speed meets style. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because you don't want to miss what's coming up. Today, we're reviewing something truly special, the McLaren 720S. Buckle up, because this one's not just a car, it's a statement. Alright, let's get into it. Exterior review. At first glance, the McLaren 720S is like something straight out of the future. The body is sculpted with an obsessive focus on aerodynamics, and it shows. From the aggressive front splitter to the hyper-sharp rear diffuser, every line serves a purpose. The carbon fiber elements aren't just for show, they shave weight and improve downforce like a race car. The signature dihedral doors swing open dramatically, announcing your arrival before you even step out. And those headlights, slim, angular, and laser-focused, they look like the eyes of a predator locked on its prey. Around back, the active rear wing adjusts automatically to optimize performance at high speeds. Add to that the matte finish paint with glossy accents, and you're looking at a design that turns heads before it even starts. It's not just pretty, it's purposeful. Every vent, every scoop, every curve on the 7210 is tuned for maximum speed and precision. Interior review. Now step inside, and the vibe shifts from wild to wickedly refined. The cockpit is minimal but luxurious. Think Alcantara, exposed carbon, and leather, all blended into a race-inspired layout. The driver-focused design means everything is within reach, and there's no room for distraction. You get a fully digital instrument cluster that adapts based on drive mode. Track mode slims it down to only the essentials, while comfort opens up your standard display. The center touchscreen is crisp and responsive, though in true McLaren style it doesn't try to be overly fancy, just fast and functional. The seats? They're bucket style, sculpted for support during high-speed runs, yet somehow still comfortable enough for long hauls. And don't even get me started on the paddle shifters. Perfectly weighted and ridiculously satisfying to click through. It's not overflowing with luxury features like a Rolls-Royce, but that's not the point. This cabin is built for drivers who want to drive. Performance review. And now for the part you've been waiting for. Performance. Under the hood, the McLaren 720S packs an absolute beast. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60? You're there in just 2.7 seconds. Top speed? North of 215 miles per hour. This thing doesn't just move, it launches. And what makes it special isn't just the power, it's the way it delivers it. Thanks to McLaren's proactive chassis control system, the handling is razor-sharp. The suspension reads the road in milliseconds, adjusting the damping on the fly, keeping the car flaw